Guys, we're making slime and put the activators. Let's put the activator solution. It's the activator, guys.
Mixing.
Whoa, it's working. It's working. Oh my gosh, let's put on the glitter. Let's put the glitter, Ma. Let's put it.
Mix it first.
I think it's almost ready, the slime.
Mix more.
Mix some more, some more. Let's put the glitter.
All.
Yeah, all of it. So it's gonna be glittery. Whoa, guys, it's so cool. Whoa, it's the slime.
No, don't. Yeah.
Guys, it's so cool. Purple. Whoa, that looks sick. Purple. Whoa, that looks sick.
What's it?
It's so satisfying. It's really satisfying and sick.
What's sick?
It's so sad. It's so sick. It's so satisfying. I think the slime is almost ready.
Then you will hold it na.
It's ready. It worked. Let's knead it. I think it's so cool. I think it's still ready. I think let's start massaging it. I think let's just... Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Yes. Knead it more.
Let's start kneading it. It's not... It's really good now. It's so cool to have a slime. We made it.